What to expect from the SOFT4RealEstate software system. If you operate commercial property like offices, shopping malls, or mixed property, and need to manage your building lease units, tenants, and contracts in one place, the SOFT4RealEstate property management software system is the right choice. 5 reasons why our customers choose SOFT4RealEstate. 1. Data consistency and integrity in one complex system. Customer relationships, documents, financial accounting management modules, as well as complete property management functionality is included in SOFT4RealEstate. That's how you avoid additional support costs and data loss between systems, and how you profit from a shorter time for employee training and self-learning, as well as from all action history staying in the system. 2. 8 times faster tenant billing process. A big time saving when you manage 500 lease units or more. 3. 10 times faster data analysis and reporting. How long does it take you to create management and financial reports? Instead of days, our customers take hours when using Microsoft Power BI reports. 4. Impressive tenant service. Inspect your vacant and occupied lease units at a glance. Using the lease unit map and lease unit availability chart, you can enjoy fast maintenance management. Using the SOFT4RealEstate work order module, your tenants can find their historical data, send you requests, and share their information using the convenient tenant portal. 5. Move it to the cloud. You can manage your properties quickly and easily from anywhere, at any time, and on any device. A free 14-day trial is available. No credit card data is required. Take a moment to discover www.soft4realestate.com. Would you like to learn more? Contact the SOFT4 team at info@soft4realestate.com.